Today, I'm going to talk about how food can affect your attitude. I promise you this episode is going to help you de-stress your life. Hi, I'm Bo Sebastian, your stress relief coach. Before I was a stress relief coach, I was a chef with 3 cookbooks. I spent a lot of time understanding how food affects attitude, mostly because I would get really irritated with people when I was hungry. I wanted to understand if I could avoid this problem. It turns out I could, and you can too. If you have sugar sensitivity, things like pastries, processed snacks, and breads will give you a temporary high, only to leave you hanging in a low place an hour later. If you're like me, you also get anxious because your blood sugar levels get too low, leaving your body to feel as if you desperately need food to keep you from biting off the head of the person standing in the way of it. This, of course, can be avoided by always eating a high-protein meal or snack before any sugary sweets. If you provide your body with eggs, meat, poultry, fish, or nuts before you eat simple carbohydrates, I promise you that you will not feel the lows and anxiousness that comes from a low blood sugar roller coaster. If you're experiencing this kind of shaky anxiety before you eat, always bring some nuts or a protein bar with you. Eat at the time you get hungry. Don't wait. I know this will help you feel better this week. This is why I created the zeroing out technique to help people just like you. Listen, today for only $1.99, even before the paperback comes out in stores, you can get the Kindle edition of my latest book, From 10 to Zen, De-Stress Your Life with the Zeroing Out Technique. This is complete with private videos of the technique that you will have access to 24/7. For $1.99, you can easily get this book delivered to your phone or your computer just by clicking in the Kindle store at Amazon. The link is in the comments or transcript below. Remember, buy it between December 2023 and the end of February 2024. You will save $20 from the cover price of the paperback if you get this book now in Kindle for $1.99. And if you're Kindle Unlimited member, the cost is $0 today. I asked the publisher to make this book absolutely affordable for my friends and family. This is your chance to change your mind and change your life. This extreme discount will not last long. Get your Kindle today.